Number 1. 1979 Chrysler 300, $11,000, Harpers Ferry, Iowa. Offered at $11,000 in Harpers Ferry, Iowa, this 1979 Chrysler 300 is a rear-wheel drive coupe, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It shows 78,000 miles and has a clean title. Finished in white, it features a full-gauge package including a tachometer, bucket seats, center console, air conditioning, and cruise control. The car runs great and is rust-free except for the trunk lid with many new parts installed. A solid late 1970s luxury performance coupe at an affordable price. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette, $11,500, Montebello, California. Priced at $11,500 in Montebello, California, this 1981 Chevrolet Corvette is an excellent condition coupe with 54,000 original miles and a clean title. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it features removable T-top panels and full power equipment. A two-owner, all-original example representing the final St. Louis production year of the third-generation Corvette. Number 3. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $13,000, Amarillo, Texas. Located in Amarillo, Texas, this 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is offered at $13,000 with a clean title. The body is in great shape and the original rims are included. The engine was removed for a rebuild, with freeze plugs and gaskets replaced, but it still requires assembly. The interior is in good condition with minor headliner sagging. A solid late 1980s project with strong resale potential. Number 4. 1961 Cadillac Fleetwood, $14,000, Danville, San Ramon, California. Offered at $14,000 in Danville and San Ramon, California, this 1961 Cadillac Fleetwood shows 94,000 miles and has a clean title. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it has undergone major mechanical repairs including a rebuilt transmission, brakes, suspension work, fuel system service, and cooling system updates. The air conditioning and speedometer need attention. A reliable early 1960s luxury classic with iconic styling. Number 5. 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible, $4,800, Aurora, Colorado. Priced at $14,800 in Aurora, Colorado, this 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible features a performance-built 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission. Finished in tropical turquoise, it has a refreshed interior, digital gauges, and an updated stereo system. Showing 73,644 miles with a clean title, this is a well-done Restomod combining classic muscle car style with modern drivability. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, $15,000, Kennewick, Washington. Offered at $15,000 in Kennewick, Washington, this Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is a factory T-top car finished in Fireburst red metallic candy paint with a clean Washington title. It's powered by a low-mileage 1996 Corvette LT1 V8 with aluminum heads, paired to a Tremec T56 6-speed manual transmission. Upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4-link suspension, Mustang 2 front suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a custom dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. Features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power locks. It retains factory air conditioning equipment, although some components were removed during the engine swap. The custom tan interior includes Dakota digital gauges, with the speedometer and gas gauge needing connection. A rust-free 1980s muscle coupe with strong performance upgrades, this Monte Carlo SS offers classic style with modern power. Number 7. 1977 Cadillac Eldorado, $16,000, Palm Springs, California. Priced at $16,000 in Palm Springs, California, this 1977 Cadillac Eldorado has 33,000 original miles and a clean title. A front-wheel drive coupe powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it has been garage-kept and well-maintained, including $5,000 in recent service work. Features include fuel injection, automatic load-leveling suspension, and an Astro roof, a well-preserved full-size luxury cruiser. Number 8. 1960 Ford Falcon, $18,900, Tahuya, Washington. Located in Tahuya, Washington, this 1960 Ford Falcon is offered at $18,900 with a clean title. It features a 351 Windsor V8 engine, C6 automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end, 4-link suspension, Mustang 2 front end, new paint, and new interior. The odometer is not functioning. A heavily modified compact classic transformed into a serious street performance machine. Number 9. 1968 Pontiac Convertible GTO clone, $18,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Offered at $18,000 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, this 1968 Pontiac GTO convertible clone shows 33,760 miles with odometer rollover noted and has a clean title. It is powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car features new paint, new tires, a new dash, and a new convertible top. After 25 years of ownership, the seller states the project is about 75% complete. The Pontiac GTO is a true muscle car icon, and while this example is a clone, it offers classic styling and strong performance with room for final touches. Number 10. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, $18,500, Goldendale, Washington. Priced at $18,500 in Goldendale, Washington, this early production 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S is numbers matching with its original 273 Commando V8 engine and automatic transmission. Repainted and engine rebuilt in the 1990s, it has remained in long-term family ownership since the early 1980s. Actual mileage is unknown. A desirable early performance Barracuda with strong collector appeal.